Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best French toast ever. This recipe is one of the most popular on my website, and I know once you make it, you'll love it too. With just a few ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, you can be enjoying this delicious French toast on busy mornings as well as weekend brunch. The full recipe will be listed in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version. Make sure to subscribe, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need to make this perfect French toast. 4 eggs, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 loaf of bread, my favorite is Texas toast, and you'll also need a little bit of butter to spread on the griddle. First, you'll need to make the French toast batter by adding the eggs, flour, sugar, vanilla extract, milk, and cinnamon to a blender or a food processor. Mix the ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Using a blender helps to ensure that there are no lumps in the batter. Pour the French toast batter into a shallow dish like this. Heat a frying pan or griddle to 350 degrees and spread the surface with butter. Dip a slice of bread into the batter, flipping it over to coat both sides. Place the bread on the hot griddle and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll want to keep an eye on it though, because each griddle is different. Flip each piece of French toast over and allow it to cook on the other side. Transfer the bread to a serving dish and serve it warm with your favorite toppings. My favorite topping is plain old maple syrup. If you have extra pieces, you can store them in the refrigerator or even freeze them for later. I hope you enjoy this recipe for the best French toast ever. It definitely makes an appearance in my house at least once a week. As I mentioned before, the full recipe is down in the description below. If you are looking for more delicious recipes, head over to MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more goodness. See you next time!